The SMD Rework Station 700-watt model is a versatile tool designed for both beginners and professionals in electronic component welding. Its compact and portable design ensures that it fits comfortably in any workspace, measuring just 9.1 inches for the hot air gun and 5.3 inches for the rework station. Equipped with a clear OLED digital display, users can easily monitor real-time temperature and airflow settings, making precise adjustments effortless. The station features an impressive temperature range from 100 to 550 degrees Celsius, allowing for a wide variety of crafting and repair applications. Safety and convenience are prioritized with its power switch located at the back, eliminating the need to unplug the device during interruptions. This comprehensive kit includes 7 interchangeable nozzles, a stand holder, and a user manual, ensuring users have everything they need for efficient soldering and desoldering tasks.